2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cold weather package, center armrest, universal garage door opener, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, compass, heated front seats, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.